Hi, I'm Monica with Make Create Design, and today I'm going to explain to you how to install a sitemap plugin on your WordPress site. I am also going to show you how to submit that sitemap to Google Search Console, and then I will tell you how to submit it to Bing Webmaster Tools. Let's get started. So we're going to go out to the WordPress site. First thing we need to do is log into the admin section. I'm already logged in, so I didn't have to put my username and password in. Move my head down in the corner over here. All right. So to install a plugin, first we're going to click Plugins, and now I'm going to click Add New. I'm going to search for the plugin I want. The plugin that we use at Make Create is Sitemap Generator. You can see that there's a whole bunch of other plugins that you can use, and I don't know, some of them probably are awesome and work super great. It's up to you to test them out and try them out. If for some reason you don't want to use Sitemap Generator and you choose another one, that's totally cool, but the next couple steps in this tutorial will be a little bit different for you. So I'm going to click Install Now, and then I'll click Activate. Now I'm going to go over to the Sitemap Generator link that was just created on my navigation. I'm going to click it. Click the blue button, Generate Your Sitemap. Now you'll notice that I got an error. It says the generation of my sitemap failed with the error crawler not allowed by robot.txt. All right, so I need to fix that. And if you have not enabled your website to be crawled by search engines, that is why you got this error. And most of the people are going to be installing a sitemap plugin because they want more people to be able to find their website, not because they want it hidden. So to unhide your website from Google, you're going to go to Reading underneath Settings and uncheck Search Engine underneath Search Engine Visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. And then click Save Changes. Then I'm going to go back over to Sitemap Generator, and I'm going to click Generate Your Sitemap. And wait. So my sitemap finished generating, and you can click Show the Sitemap. It will download a file to your computer. I click this button because it shows me what the name of the file is. I will need the name of the file in the next step, which is going out to the Search Console and entering in my website and the sitemap. So sitemap.xml, don't forget. All right, so now we are going to go out to Google Search Console. Here's Google Search Console. This is the entry page. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one. I have one. I click Start Now, and it plops me in here. All right, so I have to add a property. Click Add Property. Now there's two scenarios here. One is that you already have Google Analytics set up on your website, and so it's going to auto-verify itself. And the other is that you don't have Google Analytics set up on your website, and so you're going to have to use one of the other verification methods. Let's look at what would happen if I didn't have Google Analytics installed. So if I don't have Google Analytics installed, and I click Continue, I'm pasting my domain name in there. I have to verify my website by one of these methods. I can upload an HTML file, I can put an HTML tag in. Those are my options. None of which are quite as streamlined as this one that I'm going to show you now, which is if I click Add Property, click Continue, ownership auto-verified, because I already have Google Analytics installed on this particular website. So go to the property. All right. Now I'm ready to use that sitemap.xml that I've been remembering this whole time, right? Actually, I can see it right here, so that makes me feel a little more in control. Sitemap.xml. And then you click submit. But yeah, and then you're all set up and ready to have Google crawl your site every time that you add new information to it. All right, so now we need to take the next step, which is adding our information to Bing Webmaster Tools. I know it seems crazy, like why would you put it in Bing? But some people still use it. Sounds nuts. Some people do still use this. You can either enter your URL here, or because we just set it up in Google Search Console, it makes more sense for us to just import it. So I'm going to click Import. Now I click Continue to Search Console. I'm going to log in as info, allow. You need to log in as the same account that you just created that sitemap under. The same account that you're logged in as Google Search Console, or else you won't see all this information that I'm seeing right now. Okay. I want to do makecreate.com, so I'm going to click import. Congratulations. I imported. It didn't take very long, and now search engines can actually find my website, where before they may not have found all the pages on it. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this.